How to send disappearing message on Messenger. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Messenger app. Here we go. Make sure you have updated your Messenger app to the latest version. Now your chat session appears. Open the conversation in which you want to send disappearing message. Here I'm gonna open this one. Now at the top you can see that profile, tap on it. Now you will get different options. Scroll down, you can find this option of go to secret conversation, tap on it and tap on the profile. Now here you will get this option of disappearing messages, tap on it. Now from here you can just set the timer. You will get different options. You can set it up to 1 day. For now I will be setting it up to 1 minute. I have just turned on the disappearing messages. All new messages will be removed for each person 1 minute after they have seen. Also you can just change the timer by tapping on this option change if you want to. And you can set it to 30 minutes or 10 seconds or 1 day, whichever option you like. I hope now you guys are clear about how to send disappearing message on Messenger. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.